Hello again. I have chosen these 6 faces for our sticker set. So great. Now we're almost done, right? Well, no. Yes, we could do the entire sticker set of just close-ups of the face of this character, but sincerely that would be boring. Also, that would exclude the expressive potential of the body. So on this video, I'll show you how to push these expressions by using the body language so they are as powerful as possible. You can still do this by having simple stick figures, by the way, but if you choose to do so, you'll have to draw some curved lines to show movement. So let's start with the first one. It's good as it is, but it could be better if the character had his arms crossed. So we can extend the sticker to include that. We don't need to show the rest of the body. I'm also changing his mouth, so now it's open. Okay, I like where this sticker is at the moment, and I'm going to leave it there. For the second one, the confusion could be enhanced if he's shrugging. I can also show his open hands on the sides to push this expression even more. If you're having trouble drawing hands, then don't worry, just leave them out. The third one is the awkward expression, but I want to push it even further, so it's more dramatic. Maybe I'll change the shape of the eyes to make them less rounded, and I'm going to make his hair going up a bit to add some extra expression. A few movement lines on the back should also emphasize this. Now I'm going to do something interesting. I'm going to redraw the pupils as wavy lines. He really looks disturbed now. I bet that if I change the expression on his mouth, I can turn this expression into one that suggests fear. Okay, there we go. It's different than the original, but it's definitely more dramatic. And I have to say, I like it very much. For the next one, I'm going to add a simple detail. I'm going to add a hand on the chin that helps this suspicious looking expression be even more suspicious. Next one. He's looking cocky on this one, so I'm going to add his hands and he's giving you a thumbs up. So the body is slightly leaning forward. And I'm also going to change the angle of the head to make it slightly tilted, so it's more like a 3/4 view. This is optional. If you're not feeling confident on your drawing skills to do so, feel free to do all of your faces looking straight to the front. Okay, there we go. For the last one, I want to show the full body. So I'm telling a little story here. He's shy and he's giving someone a flower. So this turned out to be a cute one, a romantic one that you can use in a romantic context with your boyfriend or girlfriend. Okay, so I'm going to stop here so this course doesn't get too long. But normally sticker sets are larger than that. So I'm going to leave the rest of the expressions as an assignment to you. Try to come up with at least 10 of them. It will be a great exercise for your drawing skills and for your understanding of facial expressions. On the next video we'll start vectorizing these expressions, so see you there!